Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. When it comes to dish soap, I look for two things. It needs to be effective and I want it to smell great. And 7th generation has accomplished both of those. So this is the Clementine Zest and Lemongrass scent. And one thing that makes 7th generation unique is they use 0 perfumes and artificial fragrances. It's really hard to get a great fresh scent without perfumes, but they've managed to do it. This cuts through grease really well. It suds up well, which I love. I need a dish soap that is sudsy. It just makes everything feel cleaner. It's a very natural, invigorating scent. So if you're looking for an effective dish soap that has clean ingredients and smells amazing, you will not be disappointed with 7th generation. And that's my point of view.